Hello, welcome to my channel, Adiola here. In this channel, you have access to educative and informative content on cryptocurrency and the blockchain. In this video, I'm going to show you reasons to trade BUSD margin futures. This is one of the rare videos I do make, because I don't make much videos on future trading. But I just want to bring an update to your notice that may be helpful to those of you that trade futures. And for those who don't know future trading is a trading in which you can bet either ways. Either going up or down, you can still make profit depending on how accurate your predictions or calculations were. So with future trading as well, you have the opportunity of increasing your leverage. Under spot trading, the maximum leverage you have is I think up to times 5 with isolated, then times 3 with cross. But under futures, you have up to a maximum of 125x. That is, you can multiply your trading asset by up to 125. I'm not saying you should do that. I'm just saying you have chances of getting up to that. Okay, so now before I proceed, let me explain these terms clearly to you. I said the video is all about reasons to trade BUSD margin futures. BUSD margin futures. So then you want to ask, what is a BUSD margin futures, or what is BUSD? And that I have just explained what future trading is. Okay. Yes, BUSD margin future is also under USDM, that's USD margin futures. So under USD margin futures, there are USDT margin future and BUSD margin future as well, both are perpetual. And then, so what this means is that whatever crypto asset you are trading under this future platform, Binance future platform, whatever crypto asset you are trading, if you should select USDM margin, it means you are comparing their prices against a USD stablecoin, a USD pegged stablecoin. Now, what is a stablecoin? A stablecoin is a crypto coin that has dollar as its backup fiat currency. So BUSD has USD, that's dollar, as its pegged token, pegged fiat currency. It is pegged to dollar as a fiat currency. And then USDT as well is also pegged to $1. One USDT is pegged to $1, one BUSD is pegged to $1. So they are backed up by dollars. So that's why we call them USD margin futures. So both of them are USD margin futures. And if you are familiar with USDT margin futures as it is on my screen now, I think that's the default BTC USDT. You should, it will not be, you don't need to learn anything to use BUSD. They are the same thing. So you just come to this will be your initial page. Then you scroll to the right, and then come to BUSD perpetual, and then select BTC BUSD. Okay, all right. So now, what are then so that's just these are all BUSD margin features. All of the assets listed here are paired against BUSD. I hope you understand that, so you can now trade them. So the topic is then, why should you use this? Well, it is the same reason why we say you should use USDT. But other than that, we know BUSD is backed by US dollars by Binance. It is owned by Binance, so you know your security is guaranteed. Even recently, there's the phobia that USDT may fail. But we know that for now, as long as the cryptocurrency industry is still in operation, BUSD is still in vogue and cannot fail, because Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency company in the world. So that's the reason why you should use BUSD margin futures. It is a stable coin, which means if you have your currency, I mean your traded asset, tradable asset as BUSD, its value doesn't fluctuate much, so you can hold your assets in BUSD, and then you can now trade with other assets as the case may be. So it's a stable coin backed up by BUSD, so the value won't be too far from the dollar, and then so you have more of a stability with your assets when you use stablecoin like BUSD. You know that if you are to hold BTC, for instance, the volatility is so high. So, but with stablecoin like BUSD, the volatility is low, so you can obtain your assets safely. Okay. All right. So now, in order to trade futures, things you need to consider. You need to consider whether you are, I'm not going to make this so elaborate, like I told you. It's one of the rare videos I do make. I don't make videos on this because people are greedy and then they want to blame their instructor. All right, so you can, one of those things you have to set. Okay, the first thing, set USDM. Then the next thing, come to BUSD perpetual, select the coin or the pair you want, like BTC BUSD as we have selected. Then the next thing is whether you want it to be cross or isolated. Stay tuned to my channel as I may explain what cross and isolated means in one of my videos, hopefully, and then you may as well browse through my channel to see if I have videos on that. I don't think I have, but you may check. And then you come and set up your leverage. Okay, as a beginner, don't use a leverage above 3x other features, or the worst 5x, but don't go above 5x, please. So once you've done that, then and you are sure you've done your analysis, then if you are shorting, you click on sell. Before now, it used to be short and long green, short red. That's instead of, but now since I think people don't understand it well, they've replaced it with buy and sell, buy sell. But normally on that features it will be long and short. You get it? So that's why you've done your analysis. You do that. Then if you've been trading sport, if you've been trading sport before now, so the rest you won't find it difficult. Okay. All right. Now one other thing I would like to show you. Is how to set up multi-asset mode on this BUSD margin trading. Multi-asset mode in the sense that, take for instance, you are trading BTC BUSD and you want to trade BTC USDT as well, but you want the assets to be transferable between the two. That is, in case of any loss in one of them, let's say you are losing in a BTC BUSD, you are losing, but you are gaining in BTC USDT. So what the multi-asset mode does is to allow you quickly convert the profit you are making in USDT and then add it to the loss you are making in BUSD. I hope you understand that. So it converts it to that and then gives you the opportunity to have a reasonable trade and then to be able to judiciously manage your assets. So I hope you understand. So in order to set up your asset mode, come to the option button here, that's the 3 dots, then click on preferences, then go to asset mode and then change from single asset mode to multi-asset mode, and that is that. So with that now you are using the multi-asset mode. And please take note, for this multi-asset mode to be effectual, you have to select cross margin, not isolated, under this futures trading. I hope you understand. Okay. And then finally, finally, sorry. Yes, finally, one more thing to go before I leave here, and that's to show you that you can actually practice trading on the Binance app. You can actually practice trading without involving your assets, your financial assets. We call it mock trading or demo trading. You get it? So the same way, come here, click the 3 dots. Just for practice, you come to mock trading, and so this will take you to a mock trading platform, and then you'll be provided with a page where you then can practice. And you'll be assigned assets. You can get assets and then perform your trade. I hope you understand. Many people don't know this actually exists, but it does exist. So you can practice as much as you can. So don't risk your money, and that's why I am careful of making videos related to features, so that people won't be blaming me. It is very volatile, very dangerous if you don't know what you are doing. And so that's why you have mock trading to help you improve your trading skills. All right, thank you for watching this video. I hope you find the information very useful. Please kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so that you can know when I post the next video.